Derek at the Eliminex. Seeing the raccoons are going up through this louver here, and there's a lot of contamination on that attic. Climbing the, you know, they're thinking they're climbing the trees and going up on top. Oh, there's a squirrel nest up there. There could be a combination of issues. So I give a proposal based on what I saw up there. And the raccoons are definitely up there, so they're just looking for footprints along the side of the house, where they grab on the corner and they just shimmy up like it's a tree. Usually they'll start on the garage, the lowest part of the house, which is easier. Nah, I don't think these trees are the entry point. The squirrels can jump back and forth, but the raccoons are definitely going up the corners. Okay, we'll see what happens.